मैं सो जाऊं या मुस्तफा कहते कहते.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Akram, and you are watching Meditation with Islam. Today I bring this video for those who are asking that we can't sleep at night. We stay up all night. We take addictive and expensive pills. It's been a long time since we've forgotten about sleep. We can't sleep well. So in today's video, I will tell you some steps. That's exactly what you have to follow. God willing, you will fall asleep by the end of the video. Number 1. When you are ready to go to bed for sleep, get out of the washroom first and do ablution. Number 2. Lie down straight on the bed and whatever worries you have, bring them into your mind. Now take a deep breath through your nose and stop for a while, and take it out through your mouth. With every breath, get your worries out of your mind. Take deep breaths and get out them from your mouth along with your worries. And imagine it at the same time, that I am presenting my troubles and worries to my God. Number 3. Now you are in front of your God. The God who created you in your mother's womb. The God who raised you and bless you with many blessings. The God who loves mothers more. With each breath you present your problem to your Lord. With a sincere heart. Let go of your worries through your mouth with each breath. Number 4. When you share all your worries with your God and it ends. So call on your Lord with all His beautiful names. That God with you with His blessings. And you be with God. Now listen and follow the soundtrack and call out softly. Repeat again and again until you will fall in the arms of sleep. God willing,